In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is launch one of them and access it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window. Last but not least, tap on this tiny one. Sorry, misclick. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners. Resize it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. To close it, click at the top right corner. To use it in full screen view, at the top left one. And to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button. And swipe your tiny window to the side. Then access it by clicking on the bubble and tiny window. If you want to, you can also resize it by scaling it. And letting go when you see this bluish area. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!